Hello friends, welcome to channel Auto Space. I am Surjit. Today video I am going to share some of my best experience and knowledge with you, and it is definitely help you a lot to solve the problem. Nowadays it is very common power steering for all the type of vehicles like heavy commercial vehicles, light commercial vehicles, bus, truck. So somehow you all face this type of problem like power steering is hard, not moving right side or left side easy way. So if we face this type of problem, what should we do in first? Suppose you are a professional in automobile, so you can solve this problem with this trick very easy way. Suppose you are not a professional, so you can also solve this problem with this trick. And as per me, it is very effective trick for me. Whenever I face this type of problem, I always follow this trick and get the good result. So let's get started. Before go to the topic, I want to share something. This is Hindi oriented channel and I have made many videos in Hindi like system, problem and solve related, support trick and very easy way how to cure your problem. So if you are interested in Hindi language, so you can go and check out the videos. And from few days I have been getting some messages from abroad of India or south part of India who are actually don't know Hindi well. They are asking for English video. That's why I thought that if I made some video in English, that will definitely help them to solve the problem. As you know, it's not sound good my English, but still I will try to make you understand about the topic. So let's get started. Suppose you are driving on road and you are facing this type of problem like steering not moving very easy way or steering moving very hard. So what should you do? So first of all, you have to park the vehicle in proper way and you have to do only two things. First, you do check the power steering oil level. Go to reservoir, power steering oil reservoir and check the oil level. If you found that oil level is low, then you have to top up the oil, steering oil, or if you found that oil level is proper up to max level, that means that is working. Now second thing you have to do, you have to take out the steering oil reservoir filter. I mean you have to take out the steering oil filter from the reservoir. So what should you do for that? It needs some screwdriver or some few wrench to take out the steering oil filter. This is very easy, not a hard thing. You can easily take out the steering oil filter from the reservoir and then tighten the reservoir again. After that, you start the vehicle and steer the steering wheel right hand side and left hand side. If you will find that your steering jam problem has gone away. And I can make sure that 90% of cases, because of power steering filter jam, this type of problem happens. There are many reasons behind the power steering jam. So like that, power steering kingpin jam, drop arm dragging ball joint jam, steering wheel rod bearing jam, or many other things. So you have to make sure that these things are okay. So this is my first video in English. If you find that this video helpful for you, definitely you will like and share the video and subscribe the channel and solve the problem very easy way. Thank you for watching the video.